Let's see who wins. Boom, baby! Today we are racing semi-trucks with our RC truck. These guys are just learning to drive. They're not doing so hot. And I know our Dukono Pro is going to beat them. This is going to be a funny video. We're here to do a speed test of our new Redcat Racing Dukono Pro. This is a brushless setup. I love what we have going on under here. We're running a 6,000 milliamp 2S battery, and I do actually want to test a 3S pack. I'm trying to say all this very quickly because this is why it's going to be a funny video. We have guys trying to learn how to drive semi-trucks, literally driving in circles around us, like grinding the gears and over revving. Oh, I grew up, my first vehicle that I learned how to drive was a stick. I can drive semis, I can drive 2-ton dump trucks. These poor kids. There's one like jackknife down there right now. So this should be fun. We're gonna do a 2S speed test, and against everything that I should be doing, we're also gonna do a 3S speed test. He's completely stopped over there. I just can't do it. All right, shout out to our buddies where we got this. It's in America. I'm telling you, these poor kids. We'll have it linked in the description box below. All my Redcat stuff comes from the same spot now. Huge shout out, give them some love. Dukono Pro, baby, here we go. It's all trimmed up. That's actually really fast on 2S. That feels faster than my Camo X4.
Look at all this water he might hit.
I hope not, but it is waterproof, so let's do this. Oh, a lot of gravel there. I'm gonna have to hit that again. Let's see what we got though.
Nothing. It doesn't even matter what you got.
47.
47. That wasn't even full throttle. Go.
Out it was.
Oh, but not for long.
On the way back, I hit that gravel and it I couldn't get full speed. So let's ease into it. Easing into it. They've stopped down there. See our speed, let's see it! Oh, nice!
55 kilometers an hour!
That's not bad, that's not bad. That's 2S of power. Now, since they've kindly stopped down there.
Not anymore, here they come!
It's fine. The reason we don't want to run a 3S pack on here is because there is a voltage limit on the fan on the ESC. I do not recommend running a 3S pack on here, but I'm gonna unplug my fan and do 2 passes. That's it. So if you want to run 3S on this truck, you need to upgrade the fan to a higher voltage from 5 volts to 12 volts. All right, 3S pack versus tons and tons of weight. Let's see who wins. Boom, baby!
Karma!
Oh, but it won.
You did win.
A little bit of negative karma there. I did flip the truck. That's okay though.
He lost 2 body clips for making fun of the drivers.
Oh man!
You lost all your body
That
clips.
thing is fast.
On
Too
3S.
fast on 3S.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
No, my body clips.
Your body clips? I thought this was going to be my truck.
No.
I didn't even get to drive this.
Abby's body clips. Well, we hit 72 kilometers an hour and we certainly did not peak out on the speed on 3S. So I kind of want to strap this down to the chassis and see if we can go a little faster. I am easing on the throttle and then pulling, and it's still riding.
Probably because we don't have our usual spot on the road, and we got some like loose gravel back here.
Yeah, it's not, and we're not.
But look at what he did to my body. Now I'm gonna have to do a body on this.
Yeah.
Look at this, and then you've killed this truck. This is just insane.
It's a little bit insane. We're being like, semi-trucks are circling around us like sharks. This is crazy. I do want to hit this one more time.
How?
Try not to flip back.
You're gonna break my truck, and then I'm gonna have to replace everything.
Body clip. The only thing we've broken so far, 4 lost body clips.
You know what? You're fired. I'm doing this one.
Oh, let's go down the middle here. This is the prime spot. This is our spot. No gravel. We're doing this. Abby's at the controls. Go, Abby, go. Easy, easy, easy.
As soon as you start going full throttle, it lifts, so I didn't even get to hit it. It's like I can't even hit full throttle on this.
It's insane.
Look,
oh! Oh. This is like 55 kilometers an hour on 2S, 72 or faster on 3S. I don't think it's really made for 3S, although it's running it. I just wouldn't push it too hard on 3S. We need to get a better fan in there to keep it cool. But on 2S, this thing is amazingly powerful. What do you guys think of us coming out here to drive this thing with the semi-truck sharks just circling around us? This is a first. I don't know. We've done speed tests here for a long time, and now we've got these guys just circling around us. I don't like this. Oh my gosh. Guys, we'll have all the good stuff linked in the description box below. The site that we're linking for this Redcat vehicle is an American-based company. If you want to support local, they have an online store. I highly encourage you to support local. Abby's having a blast with this. We got to get that 3S pack out of there, 2S pack back in so it's manageable on the power. This thing is way faster than I expected it to be. So awesome. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.